Today we will learn how to containerize Express.js application. Here you can see our Docker Compose service. We are running an Express.js application. Let me show you Docker file as well. Here is our Docker file. It is very simple. We are setting work directory and we are copying JSON files for packages, and we are installing necessary dependencies. After that, copy all my source code. Okay. Now we will run our application with Docker container. Let's see what happened. I am running this service, showing me an error or exit the terminal because it is showing nodemon is not found, but already I have nodemon installed app development dependency inside my package.json. So why this issue? Because Docker replace all files inside the app directory and copy sources from my host machine. I do not have node module directory on my host machine. You can see that I don't have any file, any directory inside account.api called node module. So inside the container, Docker will replace all files with this source files. Okay. So now if I create a anonymous directory inside Docker container, it will work. Let me show you. Run this application again. Now our application is running properly. So what happened? Let's see what ChatGPT say about it. They are saying this create an anonymous volume that mounted to app node module inside the container. That is the reason. If we do not set this anonymous volume, Docker will replace or overwrite all the files and directories inside the container. In many node projects, the node module folder should exist inside the container, not be overwritten by your local system. If you mount your entire project folder like dot or my app colon forward slash app, it can overwrite everything inside app including the container own node module. Suppose container installing in node modules inside this directory, but it does not persist because our host machine overwriting all the files and directories. That is why manually we should create an anonymous directory inside the container. It will help us to persist this directory, and it will not show that your dependency libraries are missing.